Good day, friends. This is your crypto NFT metaverse guy. We want to talk today about a particular project built on metaverse, and I want us to take time to go with me because we are going to be a bit longer in this video, but I'll take time to talk about this Microverse. Microverse is a decentralized VR metaverse. VR stands for virtual reality. So it's a decentralized VR metaverse. We have other metaverses right now in the marketplace. We have Decentraland, we have Sandbox, we have Infinity, and many others. But today, Microverse is relatively new, and we have the opportunity to key in now and make the potential opportunity, which maybe we couldn't have when Sandbox started, we couldn't have when the Decentraland started, where you have a parcel of land going up to $900,000. But in Microverse, the good news is that they can key in now, be part of the action. Now they are evolving. So go with me as we go on this Microverse journey. If you like this video, it will also help me do more videos. So subscribe, do the subscribe button and like the video as we move on this journey. Again, if you look at the bottom of the video, you'll find a link to be part of this Microverse, how to create your own Metaverse world. And you have other links that show you popular NFT projects that you can key in now and be able to flip it in future. So I am Basil again with you. So let's fire on as we enter the world of Microverse. So as I said earlier on, is a decentralized virtual reality metaverse. And I will go through this gradually. So those who are listening on the audio part of this presentation will be properly taken along. Microverse is a decentralized world building platform that allows people to build, play, and engage in a vast world with endless opportunities to create captivating experiences. Microverse aims to combine the characteristics of scarcity, immutability, and liquidity of NFTs to contribute to the development of a brand new metaverse. And users can purchase and collect exclusive NFTs not found anywhere else to be used within the platform for trading, gaming, and more. The Microverse platform will encompass everything that's related to NFTs, virtual reality, and more. The NFTs that users purchase can be used in games on the platform, while aspiring traders can also use MVP. MVP is the coin of the Microverse. MVP is already the coin market cap, is already tradable. As of this morning, it's about $0.4 to one of the coin. MV tokens to participate in liquidity mining to unlock rare and limited NFTs not found anywhere else. So what this passage is talking about is that really we can use the MVP to participate in this project as our own coin exchange. Then Microverse will be one of the leading brands within the virtual reality space, giving users unprecedented freedom in the exploration of a new frontier, where they can use the latest technologies to network, play, and cultivate a new market with millions of users. This is a very wonderful growing project, and it is quite this period that the game changers kick in. Is this period that those that build large assets in the crypto space, in the NFT space, in the metaverse space, this is where they key in. When all the things here are still relatively new. So I've taken time to know that Microverse is a place to be in this 2021 go 2022. Now, Microverse is certificated and is a private limited company registered in the United Kingdom the company holds a certificate of incorporation under the UK Companies Act 2006, certifying that it's a legal entity that's on the public registrar of companies for England and Wales. And that's the certificate being displayed here. So it is a legit company. Now you may ask, what are they doing? What are the scope? Which areas are Microverse going to look at, get involved in? As most of the Microverse community, we have known that it gives us exclusive NFTs, unique and rare and only available on the Microverse platform. I also have fair liquidity mining. So we have a fair mechanism. We also have liquidity-backed NFT trading. This is a wonderful feature. You also have integrated AI, VR technology. That is AI, artificial intelligence, VR, virtual reality. So these applications you can build on this platform. And they have the training and the guys to do that. We have the opportunity to do stuff our own way, the way we like it. They also have dynamic communities and social network. So we can engage in all activities together, interact among ourselves. They also have innovative game mechanism. One of the beauty of this metaverse all over the world is able to play all manner of games in a virtual way. So this is the pocket areas of this microverse. We might also ask, they went further to do what they call micro NFT. We know about NFT, but there are a type of micro NFT that's called micro NFT, unique and rare NFT collections. And in this balance, you have 25 different collections of NFT collectibles, which we release on Micro Platform. About 10,000 of that NFT will be released, and no two NFT will be the same. It's going to be unique. So we're going to have Discover NFT collection by top talents not found anywhere. We also have to enjoy the first virtual Madame Tussauds art gallery. All these are customized NFT, which we'll start to enjoy. Then you also have a display of that micro NFT. Look at how it looks like, just things like this. It's a beautiful one. Then that takes me to that area, the micro engine, the AI and VR virtual games development arm. So in this aspect of Metaverse, we're going to develop developing engaging and fun games to elevate the gaming experience for users in the Microverse. So micro NFTs can be used within the games developed by Micro Engine. Users can dress up their characters in NFT wearables, gear up with NFT equipment, and set forth on an epic adventure. So you find a situation where we have let's say the chips, the building chips, the items, the materials we need to build on this wonderful platform. And it says here, micro NFTs have real practical value as gamers and investors can either use, keep, or trade them. So these are one of the wonderful aspects of this Metaverse platform called Microverse. Then you also have the same macro engine giving us games, conceptual images of different themes. Look at things here, look at this one here, this one here, this one. All this can be developed and launched on their platform. They also have rewards and collectibles items from seasonal NFT drops. Once in a while, they run airdrops, and we in this community stand to enjoy the first of this kind. We also have AAM plus NFT marketplace. In this aspect, we're having different tokens. One of them is large variety of BSC, that's Binance Smart Chain tokens. Users can easily swap BS tokens on the platform or stake assets in liquidity pools to obtain rewards in the form of LP tokens. So it's available. Then you also have intuitive interface that is easy to master. The platform has a simple interface that was inspired by some of the top DeFi exchanges, which means that users can easily start trading on the platform. Users can also users do not need to register or conduct KYC. That's the beauty of it. You can do all this stuff just you are part of the Metaverse. And the platform is very simple. If you go to down this video, you see a link. Just click that link. My brother, my sister, are good to go. You become part of the world of Metaverse. If you are using Android phone, you download the Android app. If you are really using iPhone, enjoy that, you do the iOS app. That's all you need, and you're good to go. Then let's look at the further of the micro AMP. Is actually NFT asset management platform. It helps users to manage, trade, and store their digital assets. NFT trading, auctions and bidding, offering NFT staking services. This does. They also have micro money, platforms fair money mechanism, powering the entire Microverse ecosystem, providing NFT trading backed by liquidity. Allow users to participate with the platform in a fair, just, and transparent manner, and reward users who provide liquidity with NFTs. Again, it offers different liquidity mining options to serve users with varying needs and allow everyone to benefit from the platform. These are the macro mining aspect of the metaverse. Now let's look at the macro club. So in this macro engine, you have macro gaming, macro mining, and then you have macro club. This gathering hub for users all around the world. In this area, you can see this picture here. These are unique things. What macro club does is providing social networking and engagement activities within the metaverse crypto space. Education courses on NFTs, organizing online interactive activities and games, delivering real-time platform updates, social news aggregation, and forums. These are all embedded in the Microverse Metaverse system. Now, let's look at the micro foundation. Remember, this is an ecosystem, having all these arms. In the micro foundation, championing vital charities to build a brighter future. In this aspect, supporting a wide range of charities, starting from the World Vision. So the ecosystem handles every area, almost every area of the human endeavor right now, in promoting the growth of the charity industry and dedicated towards helping those in need. Collectors can purchase NFT collections or make donations, and all proceeds will be donated to different sport charities. Once a certain target has been achieved, both NFT creators and collectors have contributed will receive microbox products as reward. So this is engaging, helping social welfare and charity all around the world. This is the beautiful aspect of this. And in the below down, you also see some other NFT collections you can play a hands on as you develop and grow this Microverse opportunity. So let's look at the Microverse world. What's the big picture? It's creating a virtual world in the meta universe. Okay? The goal is to create the Microverse. All NFT products on the Microverse platform can be traded and used in the Microverse world, thereby creating a brand new space with limitless commercial potential. This will revolutionize many industries in the real world when corporations like Facebook and Google decide to enter the VR industry, this virtual reality industry. Is of course, we want to know that Facebook can rebrand themselves to Meta. Facebook already driving this thing crazily. So Google is probably doing that. Microsoft have started already. So all the giants in the tech industry are keyed into the metaverse world. So friends, I would like to use the opportunity now. If I'm middle of the sandbox, middle of the decentralized land, middle of AI Infinity, you can meet this one. Microverse is an opportunity for us to key into this industry. Now, the Microverse world will be virtual space formed by a limited number of 13,810 pieces of virtual land. This is where I'm really going. They only have 13,810 pieces of virtual land. We can become landowners. Let me read it. Say, landowners purchase virtual land and can then develop virtual environments of varying themes on their own land. They can convert their land into museums or art galleries. They can sell products on those land or services, or even generate extra income by accepting real-world advertisement on their land. Every piece of virtual land can be used for land design and construction, and investors can freely use or trade them for real monetary gains. So this is a landmark. This is a visionary project. This is where the whole tech world is going. Remember, as I told you earlier in this video, a parcel of land in sandbox in the sand land is about $900,000. But you can get a parcel of land in this Microverse with 100 times less. And that's why I'm inviting you, go down this video, click that Microverse link, and be about this macro world at as low as $100. It's as good as that. You become part of this unique community. I advise us to go through this and become part of the Metaverse community by taking action. So let's look at the game Microverse World. We're seeing that you have gameplay. You see NFT booty. You see your favorite digital companies, companions within the Microverse World. NFT booty will follow users around as they go on their daily routines, and only a limited number of booty will be released in the world. So these are the booties now. It's like they are ADC, they follow around. So now, specialized function or special function. Each body may have certain abilities that user can utilize in the world. For example, some beast type body can transport users around, while humanoid body can converse or even sing for you. These are wonderful innovations. Then dedicated quest. By completing body quest, users will be able to level up their body. When a body reaches a specific level, they may be able to evolve and gain even more abilities. Then trading. NFT body can be freely bought and sold within the marketplace. This is another part of the Microverse world, NFT body. Now let's look at another side of Microverse world, which is gameplay, quests, and rewards. Gameplay within Microverse world will be fluid and spontaneous, and users are free to partner with their friends to go on user-generated adventures on a massive scale. In this environment, friends, you can begin to create social interactions and metaverse. You can tend to go into adventure cruises using this facility here. No storylines. Each body may have certain abilities that user can utilize in the world. For example, some beast type body can transport users around the world, while humanoid body can converse and even sing for you. I mentioned this earlier. So let's go to the next slide. Microverse World, technology. Now, I'd like us to look at the technology aspect of it. If you look at these guys here, you can see what's happening right in the picture. But let's look at the writing. They say, for this technology, support for most major VR sets. So what the Metaverse is doing, it won't be an island. It will interact with other Metaverse worlds. And that's why it says Microverse natively support the most popular VR options, that is virtual reality options, just as the HTC, Vive, Oculus, Rift, or Valve Index. These are popular formats, popular environments where other popular metaverse projects are run. So it will be isolated, there'll be an interaction. So, and that's why under all immersive experience, haptic suits will soon function within the Microverse world with lag-free wireless connectivity to bring out the best possible haptic experience that would elevate users' experience. There will also be an eye trackers that use image processing algorithm to determine where the user is currently looking. So of course, finally, land development kits. To allow users to develop and build things on their land, the Microverse team will release a scripting system that will allow users to define the behavior and interactions of objects, sound, and apps that are running on their plot of land as hash content. This data will be saved on the interplanetary file system, that's IPFS, for decentralized storage and retrieval. So there is already features for landowners to develop land and do stuff using the proprietary or the things that are already provided by the system. So the whole idea is creating a virtual world in the meta universe. That's actually the whole idea, the whole project. And we can partner with them to do that, creating a virtual world in the meta universe. So with happiness, with gladness, I welcome you to the Microverse community, to the Microverse project. It is cost-effective, is affordable, and you're welcome on board. Maybe other videos, I'll talk more about the MVC, the MVP, the currency of this metaverse. It has a currency, it's already in the coin market cap, it's already been traded. So welcome on board, friends. So I will generally continue on this series as time permit. Subscribe, like the video, and you will have notifications when I do new ones. Because in this metaverse journey, I will be currently updating us on what's happening so that we'll keep to the piece of the action. I'm part of the deal. You're welcome. Thank you.